Why does your scanner show the P0420 engine code? What does it mean? P0420 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst system efficiency below threshold, Bank 1. This error code means your vehicle's onboard computer has detected that the catalytic converter is not filtering harmful exhaust emissions properly. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty catalytic converter, oxygen sensor issues, exhaust leaks, engine misfires or poor combustion, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Chevrolet, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.